Okay, forgive me. I'm doing this one-handed. Turn off the power. Reach in. Take the lead off the bottom. Drop the lead off. Grab this from the top. That takes it out. When you're putting the lamp back in, there is a pin on the top of your lamp there. My pins are gone, but your pin is going to have to drop into. There's a hole that the pin lines up with over here on the left. I'm going to spin this back on, give it a tight, put the lead on the bottom, tighten this up. That should be very snug. Turn the power back on, and you're ready to go.